Hey, welcome to the channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can check out your comments history on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open the Rednote app. Let's suppose I want to comment in this post over here. I'll just go ahead and comment something like cool, and as you can see, the comment has been posted. Now if you want to check out your comment history, it's quite easy. Click on the three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, right under the drafts is my comments. Go ahead and tap on my comments, and as you can see, this is your comment history. All of the comments which you have previously done on the Rednote app on the videos you have watched will clearly appear. So you can just go ahead and comment something on any post or videos. Go back, click on the three lines on the top left and click on my comments. And as soon as you tap on it, you can see all of the comments which you had previously made. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.